Welcome to the JTMS Timesheet Software User Dashboard. This is your starting point for the day. Everything important is just one click away. Think of this dashboard as your daily control panel. From planning your work to filling timesheets to tracking approvals, it's all right here. Let's quickly walk through the quick action buttons and see how they help you work smarter, not harder. Let's start with holiday list. Before planning your work or entering hours, it's always good to know which days are off. Click on holiday list and you'll see a clear list of upcoming holidays, including the holiday name, date, and day of the week. This helps you avoid entering time on holidays, plan your workload better, and yes, avoid that "I forgot it was a holiday" moment. Once checked, just close the pop-up and you're back on the dashboard. Next, let's move to My Planner. This is where planning turns into action. My Planner shows you what work is already planned for you, which projects and tasks you're assigned to, and how many hours are planned for each activity. So instead of guessing what to work on, the approver or admin sets expectations in advance. When you open My Planner, you already know, this is what I'm supposed to work on today. You can directly enter your actual working hours against planned tasks, and if you've worked on something unplanned, you can easily add a new row and log that work as well. Once done, simply submit for approval. No duplicate entries, no confusion. For a detailed step-by-step explanation, please watch the planned timesheet input video. Now that planning is clear, let's talk about tracking your work using Timesheet Viewer. Click on Timesheet Viewer to review all your submitted timesheets from the current week to previous weeks. Here, you can quickly check the total hours logged, verify project and activity-wise entries, see billable and non-billable hours, and confirm whether a timesheet is approved, pending, or rejected. You can also use filters like date range, client, project, or activity to find exactly what you're looking for. So before asking anyone, "Did I submit my timesheet?" you can just check here. This is your complete timesheet history, always available, always transparent. Next up is My Approver. Ever wondered who actually approves your timesheet? Click on My Approver and you'll see the name of your reporting manager or approver, so you know exactly who reviews your submissions. This avoids unnecessary follow-ups and confusion. You know where your timesheet goes and who looks at it. Simple and transparent. And finally, an important one, rejected timesheets. If any timesheet is rejected, JTMS doesn't hide it somewhere. The rejected button clearly shows how many timesheets were rejected and lets you open them instantly. Once inside, you can see the rejection reason, correct the hours or details, and resubmit without starting from scratch. No panic, no emails. Just fix and resubmit, because rejections do happen. So that's your user dashboard quick actions in JTMS. In just a few clicks, you can check holidays, plan your work, review your timesheets, know your approver, and handle rejections smoothly. Everything is designed to save time, reduce confusion, and help you focus on actual work, not follow-ups. Once you get used to these buttons, you'll realize you rarely need to search for anything else.